So let's do a compare and contrast of two different types of soils. We're going to compare, I won't name specifically, but this is a high-end potting mix that you can find usually at nurseries or your local nurseries. You won't find them as much at Home Depot and stuff, but they are a well-respected, high-quality brand. And then this is our aeroid potting mix right here. So what I wanted to show is, I have found this has been common, and it's not just one batch, but see, I just picked up here, this is about a quart of the competitor potting mix, and it is full of stones. See, here I've pulled out already several stones. And stones are considered inorganic material, which is a key component of any soil mix. However, if you're using stones, you don't want to just throw any stone in there. These are not the type of stones that you want in there. What you want is a stone that's porous, or that has some water holding capacity, or can provide something, can benefit the soil in some way. Just heavy rocks like that are not going to be benefiting your soil. Now here are some examples I put around the outside of good stones. So here is our aeroid mix. You can tell it's got all kinds of goodies in there. We've got bark, and yes, we do have some stuff that's considered stones. This is lava rock, or it's also called scoria. So you can see it's got lots of little tiny holes in it, and those holes will help provide oxygen to the roots, as well as retain a little bit of water. It allows for that free flow, and also it's going to help prevent the soil from compacting. And then we have here, this is pumice. Pumice stone is also very porous, similar to lava rock, and it has a relatively good water holding capacity. It's relatively lightweight though. It is similar to perlite, which is what these little things are, except for perlite crushes and disappears. And it also can float up to the top of your soil. Pumice does not break down. I can't crush this. So you can use it again and again. You can sift it out of your soil and use it for years and years to come. Here's some granite grit. Granite is another stone. It is there to provide, see, in this small form like this that we have, it just provides some surface area. We use this a lot in like our bonsai mix or our succulent mix. It doesn't retain water. It just helps with that free flow of water. And then this isn't really considered a stone per se. This is diatomaceous earth. This is our diamite, some people call it. We use this. It's a really coarse grade. A lot of times you'll see it as a fine powder they use to keep away pests. This helps with, it provides an excellent cation exchange for your soil and your bonsai mix, as well as help keep your soil clean and it's light, and it retains a little bit of water. I've even seen some people who have planted in straight diatoms, seedlings, as well as pumice. So you can see here that those kind of rocks are completely different from these. So even if you buy the top of the line soil, you're still, take a look at it. This isn't in the ingredients. We always include our ingredients because we believe in transparency, and you should know exactly what your beautiful plants that you take care of, what they are rooted in, because that is so essential and so important if you want a healthy and happy plant. If you spend all this money on some of these beautiful house plants, what matters is in the soil. You are, just like how you are what you eat for the plants, they are what they grow in. So that's why we recommend for aeroids, we have an aeroid mix, or we also offer a bunch of different varieties. Here's the aeroid mix, and as you can see there's the recipe for it. Here's a Hoya mix, and we have also just your basic premium potting mix. We also do custom ones. This one's for a fiddle leaf fig that we did. We spoke to a customer about her particular environment and her needs, and we're able to make a custom mix for her. Here's a custom cacti mix. Basically, we can whip up anything you could possibly need. We've spent a lot of time, a lot of hours studying soil and soil science. This is not the answer, but quality ingredients like certain types of rock are. This is Katie Jo with the Soil Bar. You can find a link to our shop in the description below. And this is a new channel for us, so please like and subscribe. And I would love to hear from you guys and hear any questions you might have. All right, bye-bye.